So a Farmertec G444 or G444 just arrived in the mail, and I'm probably going to do a 10-part series. This is a kit saw, so probably do a full build, show you everything that you're going to want to replace with OEM parts, or at least meteor cable rings or different seals. Just showing you how the kit comes. So you'll have clutch cover, for instance, air filter, it's a tank assembly, muffler, and everything is labeled very nicely. Plastics. There's a lot of components in here. You have your oiler. Gaskets for the intake boot, the slide for the chain. So we'll just go through. Going to do a full build, probably 1 through 10 or 1 through 12. The basic assembly, probably try to keep the videos at 10 minutes or less. And we'll just go through the basics. I'm not just putting together the kit, but doing the kit and the necessary steps that you'd probably want to do if you really want to run one of these saws for a couple of years, or get a few, make the best out of your money. And then at the end, I'll do some videos with it cutting, and then I'll also compare it to a real 440 or 044. 10 millimeter and 12 millimeter, red lever and black lever, and run it against 462, and just some of the basic saws that I have all the real seals. So I actually wanted to build this and throw a meteor piston and cylinder on it, but I may run the Farmertec. Still haven't decided yet, but we will be doing that, so stay tuned. Gonna bust out a couple videos this weekend. Take care.